This is a quick tip for Cricut Design Space, and today we're going to talk about bookmarking our text. I want you to open Design Space and put 3 pieces of text on the screen. We are going to change these so that we have 3 different fonts on them and bookmark them all, and then be able to use them again. A bookmark, click on a piece of text, click here, go to your bookmarks, and all you need to do is then remove the bookmark by clicking on it, and it is gone. And that is our quick Cricut Design Space tips for today.